हेलो वीवर्स, आज की वीडियो में जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सारा सिल्क पर डिजिटल प्रिंट दिखा रहा हूँ। ये सारे कलमकारी के डिज़ाइन हैं। एक ये वाला, एक ये वाला एंड दिस ऑल दीज आर कलमकारी डिज़ाइंस। आई विल शो यू इन डिटेल आफ्टर सम टाइम। हियर अनदर डिज़ाइन, it is not kalamkari but these are digital print on silk base. One is this awesome design. In video it is not coming complete design. I'm not able to visible because there are some light colors at the base. And one is this, and one this butterfly, and one is this design. So I'm going to show you all these design. I am starting with this print. This is kalamkari design on silk base. So you can see the look of the fabric and feels pretty soft as per silk. It's a poly based silk. So if I show you in close-up mode, then you will see that there is a slubby look in this, which gives a pretty look in this fabric. So look will be either you want to cut it like this, you can cut it like this. You want to cut it like this, you can cut it like this. You can make sari, you can make suit, you can make dupatta, you can make anything. Even the men's kurtas will also be look good in this fabric. So one fabric is this, and another fabric is this. Fabric, pretty fabric, color is pretty much attractive. Mayuri color, pretty. And you can see the designs. The design. You can make anything in this fabric. Next print, category of kalamkari is all these are digital print. You can see the back side is white, front side is printed. So see this look of the fabric. I'm showing you like this. The look of the fabric is looking pretty clear. Attractive design, color combination, green base with brown flowers and golden flowers. And the next print in this category is this black color print. I'm going to show you. Print look. Awesome print, design also awesome, and these are kalamkari. All are kalamkari. Then I will show you all close-up. And the last print of kalamkari category is all over. You can wear it like this. You can wear. Kalamkari. Print is this. Look of the print is really awesome print. Color combinations, black with orange, red, green. All these combinations are here. So you can see the design, the close-up of the design you can see. I hope the close-up is visible, and the design, it's pretty much attractive design. You can wear either like this or either like this. It's your own choice, whatever direction you want to go. If you are going to make a dupatta, you can make. If you are going to make any sari, you can make a sari in this. Even man's kurta, whatever you want to make. And the next print is this butterfly print in the silk fabric. See, this is the butterfly print. awesome look. Sari will look really awesome in this fabric. Even whatever you want to make, everything will look nice. Color combinations is very nice in this print. So this is the butterfly print in the category of silk digital prints. So direction again I am saying, either you can go with this or go with this. It's your own choice. And the next is this print. This is not kalamkari, but this is all over floral and leaves print. So I hope in this fabric you can see the close-up of the fabric clearly. You can see the slubby look. I hope these slubs are visible. These are the slub, giving a raw silk like look to this fabric. And the all over look is this. The all over print is look like this. So either you can go in this print either in this direction or in this direction, so it's your own choice. So this is the golden base with rust color and green color flowers. Awesome combination. Next print in this category is this. It's my different collection of prints, this time beside kalamkari. See the print look. This is the print look, all over look of the print. You can see the design, the royal look of the print. Really, the dress, everything, whatever you want to make in this fabric, everything will look nice, give a great look in the garment. And same direction will, either you can go with this or go with this. So you can see the look of the fabric, really awesome. It's all silk fabrics with digital print. And the next fabric in this category is this. In this print, the base having light prints. I don't know whether it is visible in camera or not. If I show you, you will see that there is a small leaf of light turquoise color in the base. Base is cream color with a light leaves base covering the base. I don't know whether it is visible in video or not, but there is a slight leaves impressions in the base, and then these bigger flower leaves, and then this yellow and green. But in this empty area there is a impression of leaves in the light turquoise color. I hope it is visible here. So all over look is this of this print, dew print, good combination of colors, either in this direction or in this direction, whatever you want to make, it's your own choice. You can make anything in this fabric. And the last print of this category is this. I already shared my video of this print. This print is also nice. Again, I'm showing you the direction because I told you about this fabric. So now the fabric look is this. This is the all over look of the fabric. So golden vase with the green brown flowers. Either look is this. It's having butterfly on the print, butterfly flowers and all. So either you can go this print in this direction or in this direction, whatever is fall. If I'm talking about the fall of the fabric, if I'm showing you, the fall is nice, and you can see the fall of the fabric. So it will good, and it will be nice after making the garment. So this is the all over look of the garment.